A couple people noticed in the last system test that I did change out the exit sign in the S.E.R. and as you can see it is now a completely different model in color of exit sign. I've replaced it with the Dual-Lite EVCURWDI combo exit sign. So not only is this an exit sign, but it also has two emergency lights on it as a backup so that when the power goes off, the exit sign will remain illuminated and the lights will come on, providing light for the garage. The sign is self-diagnostic, which means it tests itself periodically and it'll let me know if it discovers a problem with the unit. The sign is a really great high-quality sign. It has extremely bright lights and it works very well for my purposes. I do have one complaint about it though, and that is it does make a extremely high-pitched sound. However, if you're a little bit older than me, you probably won't even hear that. It's very high. I can't even hear it sometimes, but if I listen for it, I do hear it. Anyways, my garage and the house is now protected by a generator, so the whole exit emergency backup lights and all of that isn't that necessary now. The garage and the house will be powered for about 3 days to a week during a power outage, so I'm not that concerned about a power outage now, but I still will definitely put up exit signs just for fun, because why not? And I guess we can go ahead and test it by killing the power. Just turning off the switches in the electrical box there does not start the backup generator, so no need to worry about that. As you can see, in total darkness, the sign does a really great job at lighting up the garage, and we can go ahead and turn the power back on now. As you can see, when the sign gets its power back, it does stay illuminated for about 15 minutes, and the biggest reason that is because if this was installed in a gym or someplace with massive lighting, then it takes those lights about 15 minutes to warm up. Alright everyone, that's going to be the video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.